Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. We have made it to day number 165 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. All right. So if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, please go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm talking about and where we've started and where we are. Okay. Now, what we're doing in this series, guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year of this challenge. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. And let you know we have finally made it to day number 165 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. All right, let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. All right, now what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can get as many accounts as you like, and uh, you can sign up under yourself, and you will get 200 leads per account. So if you only have one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you have two accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on the first one and then 100 on the second one. And then when you get someone to sign up underneath that second account, then you will get 200 leads in that second account. Okay. And then 100 in your third. Okay. But what you could do is you can sign up today. And once you sign up, you can sign up under yourself. Okay. My Lead Gen Secrets, they allow you to have multiple signups underneath your own, on your own profile. Okay. So you can literally sign up today and then use your affiliate links, which are right here, to stack your accounts. Okay. On top of each other. Okay. So, and you can get as many as you like. All right. Me, a little bit about myself. I have about 8 different accounts. All right. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service. I've been doing this for a while, guys. I've promoted lots of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. This does convert. Okay. Now, the only thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic, all right? So these people have no idea who you are. You do have to get them warmed up to your offer and to your email in order to start seeing traffic and results, okay, and sales, okay? So there is, some time that it takes to does get, for you guys to get started, okay? So I just wanted to throw that out there to you, all right? So this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. You're not going to be able to just come in here, send out an email, and then miraculously start making thousands of dollars every week. Okay, it just doesn't work that way. Basically, you start where you start. Okay, and you send out your emails every single day for a certain time period, and then you'll start to see progress in what you're doing. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to do that. With me, I have 8 different accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes every day to send out my emails. Just remember this traffic, guys. These are business opportunity leads. Okay, so these people care about making money online. All right. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find business opportunity offers that are related to making money. Okay, and you simply create an email or copy and paste an email and put your affiliate link into the email and click send. Okay, that's pretty much the model on this method. If you know how to copy and paste emails, this will be very easy for you guys to do. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what the back office is going to look like. This is what your back office would look like. You have these tabs coming across here. The only thing different between your account and mine is going to be the emails that you send out versus the one I send out. All right. Now, there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Lead Gen Secrets. Number one is to promote My Lead Gen Secret itself. You can literally come into the mailing system, create an email, use your affiliate link, and then, click send, okay, and get out and get to all of those people who are thinking about, how they can learn how to make money online, okay? Or you can use these pre-written email swipes that they have. So just click on affiliates, go to promo tools right here, and they have some pre-written emails that convert really well. And you can use any of these emails right here, guys. So pretty much what you would do is just, if you want to take one of these emails and just import this email into the mailing system. So you click on that, it's going to take you to the mailing system, and it imported the email already for you. So you don't really have to do anything. Okay. You click select all, and you select all the emails that you have. And then, as you can see, the subject line says, have you lost that marketer feeling? Okay. And then also down here, it already populated the body for you. So you don't have to do anything. You come down here, here's your affiliate link. All you got to do is come down here and click on perfect timing, and then come here and click send. So what that does is, you're not able to see send now because I've already sent out my email tonight. But once you send this email out, our customers are going to look at this email. It's related to making money. They're going to click on this link. It's going to take them to our landing page, and we'll be able to get signed up and get started. Okay. That person will be able to get signed up and get started and start making money. All right. So that's pretty much one way to make money with the mailing system. The other way is we're going to use a third party service, affiliate network. An affiliate network is what we're going to use. Okay. And that is, places like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of CPA networks out there. There's tons of them that you guys can go use and use their business opportunity offers. Now, the reason why we're promoting ClickBank for this series is because ClickBank offers somehow this traffic responds very well to ClickBank offers. So that's why we're using ClickBank. And if you go to clickbank.com, create your free account, go to the marketplace, go to the e-business, e-marketing section. There you're going to find about 4 different offers, business opportunity offers that you guys can use. You can pick any one of them. All of them do have already pre-written email swipes that you can use. Okay, they have about 20 of them for each offer. Okay, so you can literally go to one of those offers, grab the email copy. Okay, grab the subject line, grab the body of text like we just showed you here just a moment ago. And then you would just paste all that in, and then you would insert your affiliate link, and you would make it a clickable link, and then you would click perfect timing and then click send. Okay, boom. Like I said, if you know how to copy and paste emails, this would be perfect for you. All right. So let me just show you how one of those emails look. If you were to go pick one of those offers, you could just literally go right here. There's going to be a subject line right here, and then there's a body of text. And then down at the bottom, there's a clickable link that our prospect is going to click on. It's going to take them over to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So we don't really have to do anything but get our prospect to that affiliate link. Okay. And you do that by making sure that your email is good. Okay. And also making sure that your affiliate link works. Okay. Whenever you insert it into the email. All right. So those are going to be the 2 popular ways to make money. There's going to be 3 ways to send out an email in this system. Number 1 is to create an email from scratch. You can do that. Insert your affiliate link that way. 2 is to use an email AI service, or you can use Chat GPT or something like that, and just tell it what you want it to create for you in the email. And number 3 is going to be using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay, and that's what I was telling you guys before. That's what I would recommend starting out at first. Okay, is using those free email swipes. Okay, because those email swipes convert very well. Okay, and they're there for a reason. Okay, they created those emails for everyone because they know they work. Okay, they know they convert. All right. Now, after you use those emails, you go through them, and you go through all of them. Then you could start to venture out on repurposing those same emails by using ChatGPT or some kind of email AI service to kind of create a lookalike email for your emails. Okay, so those are some cool things that you'll be able to do later down the road. But first thing is first is just you getting started. Okay, and I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. All right. But this is it, guys. That's how you send out a email in the mailing system. Those are the ways and how you get paid with My Legion Secret. Like I said, I think it's an awesome service. I've been using it for a few years, guys, and it becomes one of my daily multiple income streams that I have. Okay. So this is something that is very easy to do, and if you're looking to make some extra income online, this is going to be one thing that you can do that's not super complicated. Okay, it doesn't take hours of training or teachings to show you guys how to do it. It's just pretty much cut and dry. Okay, you copy an email and you come here to the mailing system, you paste it into the mailing system, and you click send. Okay, that's pretty much all you have to do. All right. Now we did send out some emails last night. Me myself, I like coming in at night to send my emails around this time between 10 before midnight. Obviously, before midnight, I like to come in and send my emails out. Okay. Now you can send yours out early in the morning. I used to, wake up early to send these emails out, but I like sending them at night, me personally. Okay. That just works for me. So you can do it however you want to do it. All right. But I sent my emails out last night. Okay. Let's go ahead and check the results from ClickBank. This is my ClickBank back, one of my ClickBank back offices. And I'm just going to show you guys around here. As you can see, today is October the 9th. I like doing the last 30 days of the month. That way you can kind of see the algorithm and see what things look like. And it would look like for you depending on what month you're in. Right now, we're in month number 5 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. So you guys can kind of get an idea what to expect if it was, if you were to get started. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this has been the algorithm for the last 30 days. It's been pretty consistent. Okay. We've had sales back to back. We've had days where we missed a day. Excuse me, where we missed a day and or we missed 2 days. Okay. Right here has been a new algorithm right here, guys. We are getting 4 sales in a row, okay, for 4 days, okay. So it just shows here that things are changing. Before we were getting 2 to 3, but now this one is 4. We went 3 days without getting a sale. We came back the next day, got a sale. We missed a day, but then we came back and got another 4 sales. Okay. We missed a day right here. We came back and did another 4 days. All right. So what that's telling me is that things are starting to change as far as the traffic and also the sales and people getting comfortable with our offers. And this is what I mean by cold traffic. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer for you guys to start earning income with cold traffic. Okay. But the thing is, if you stick with it, if you stick it out, okay. And I'm not sure when you would get your first sale. Sometimes some people get them within their first few days. Somebody may get them within their first week. Okay. You may not get it until your first month. Okay. It just depends, how long, how dedicated you are by sending these emails out. Okay. Now, I noticed things took off for me months 4 and 5 is when things starts taking off for me. Okay, in the beginning, I may get a sale here, a sale there, but once I started to hammer this thing and not think about the results, I just know there's a light at the end of the tunnel. I know if I do this for a certain amount of time, I will see progress, and that's what ended up happening. Okay, once it became month 3, 4, things start to just go like this, guys. Okay, and they started to go up. All right. And that's what happened even within my first 6 months of doing this method. Okay, I've been doing this for a few years, so I kind of know what the outcome is of this series of just starting one offer. So you're going to start off slow, become the mid of the year. You're going to start seeing things take off. Okay, but you have to hammer it in every single day until you get to where you want to get to. Okay, so this is where we kind of are, guys, on month 5. Okay, this is kind of the results that we've been getting. They've been pretty consistent. The cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is because they pay every single week. Okay, every Friday, they will send you out a paycheck or they will do direct deposit. Okay, so every single Friday, I'm getting direct deposit going to the bank account. Okay, which is very cool. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys ClickBank is a free service. I would recommend you guys getting signed up and getting started. But as you can see, the algorithm has been on the rise. Okay, the next algorithm I'm gonna be looking for is going to be 5 sales in a row. Okay, 5 sales in a row. And then we're going to look for 6 sales in a row, and then you know what happens after that. We start making money every single day. Okay. So that's the whole goal here, guys. The offer that we are promoting does have a rebill of every single month where you can get paid. So I would recommend picking out one of those offers where it has a rebill. That way, you're able to get paid every single month because your prospect or customers will get billed the next month for the program. They're going to keep getting billed month and month and month in and month out. Okay, so pick one of those offers that has a rebill on it each month. So when you do the work one time, you'll get paid over and over and over again. Okay. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys, the around in the back office of the mileage and secret. I also wanted to come in and show you just the results from today and from the last 30 days. We did make some money today and we made money yesterday. So we got paid today. All right. Which is good. All right. And tomorrow's Friday. So tomorrow's another payday. Okay. That we'll get paid. So, which is pretty good. And then, getting paid every Friday, guys. I'm not sure about you. If you're looking for extra income, maybe to help with the light bill or help put food on the table, put gas in your car, pay a bill, help with your rent or whatever. Okay, guys, this is going to be the extra income that you're going to be able to make to be able to do that, guys. Okay, so right now, it's not much, but once you stay with it and stick with it, this thing grows. Okay. I've seen people, online here, they're making anywhere from 1,500 all the way up to $5,000 a month. All right. Doing this. Okay. But they've done it. They've been doing it for a long time. Okay. So this is something that you have to stick with and you have to keep going. Okay. Until you get to where you want to be. Okay. So I'm not going to take too much more of your time, guys. Like I said, I sent out my emails. We'll come back in here tomorrow and see if we get a sale tomorrow or see what happens. Okay. So I will see you guys tomorrow back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.